Yes, beta. What do you observe in this picture?
There are big fans, like it is fan.
Okay. Okay, beta. Mute yourself. Okay. This is new concepts to you. That is wind. Wind means air only. Okay, air. Yes, Sumit, you are right. This is new concept to you. This fan is known as windmills. Okay, windmills. Why this windmills are like generated, or you can see in the picture. You have seen in the seen originally. Yeah, yeah, Rudru, correct. Yeah. Here you can see the three blades are there in this picture, and one pole is there. Sometimes the wind blows very in a very forcefully. These three blades used to rotate. These three blades used to rotate. Okay, to produce the electricity. Man-made used to produce this windmill due to produce of electricity. Okay, okay, beta. Show me thumbs up if you get it. Say yes in the chat box. We get electricity from the from windmill. Okay, okay. Now let's move further. Here you can see soil. Okay, I have said in the previous slide also what the farmers is doing. The farmers is plugging the field with the help of bullocks, and also he used to plug the field with the help of tools. Okay, you can see the soil layer. Okay, in the second picture, you can see the layer of the soil, how the soil is formed. It takes thousands of years. Okay, and you can see, different, and you can see in the different in the first picture how the color of the soil is. See, you can see the colors of soils: brown, red, black, white. This all are the colors of the soil. We can see these colors in different region, by different we can say climate. Okay. Now in the third picture, we can see how the soil, from where we are getting the soils. We are getting soils from rocks, from the mountains, from a forest. Yes? Okay. Now let's move further. Yeah, water. Here, water, we are using this water for drinking, cooking, for other activities. Okay. In our Mother Earth, we have 71.80% of water in our earth, and 29.20% of land. Okay, but then also we are getting a 0.03% of water for only drinking. So we should not waste the water. Okay, okay. Okay, students. Yeah, here you can see natural vegetations. Natural vegetations means which we are getting in our nature by with the help of greenery, with the help of plants, trees, etc. Okay. Now in the open area, most of the honeybees doesn't make the hector. Okay, they are using the shelter of trees and all. Okay, for honeycomb, for making their nectar. Okay, see, you can see the greenery all around. Okay, we are seeing the pictures of trees and all, which we are getting it naturally. Okay, we are using this trees and all for our in our day-to-day life. Okay. Now, different type of vegetations we can see. First one you can see in the in your textbook, page number 48. 48 you can see different types of vegetations we can see. Yes, we can see different types of different types of vegetations we can see in your textbook. Yes. First one, we obtained these products like woods, rubber, resins, fruits, medicinal plants, etc. from forest. If we consider the region from the equator to the poles as per the temperature zones, we find the following types of natural vegetation, that is equatorial evergreen residues, tropical grassland, thorny shrubs, temperate grassland, mixed forest, broad-leaved, coniferous, and tundra. Okay, many animals make this forest their habitat. Animals who prey on the plant-eating animals also live in the forest. Thus, many food chains develop in the forest. Forest or grasslands are the habitats for many animals. It is basically due to the plants that we have got animals as a natural resources. Plants also grow in water. You can see plants also grow in water. Okay, it is very likely that in future we shall have to depend on aquatic plants. You can see in the first thorny forest and temperate grassland, it is of 45 degree. Okay, and in the second picture, equatorial and deciduous forest is there. Okay, it is of 0 degree to 15 degree Celsius. Okay, the temperature of this vegetation, मतलब उनको गर्मी और ठंडी कितना temperature लगता है to grow this forest or to grow this trees, that is 0 degree to 15 degree Celsius. Okay, now equatorial evergreen forest, 0 degree Celsius. Broadleaves forest, coniferous forest, that is 75 degree. Mixed forest means मतलब उसके अंदर like we can say coniferous भी आ जाता है, evergreen भी आ जाता है, ये वो. Okay, this mixed forest temperature is 60 degree. And last one is tundra forest. We are using the vegetations which we are getting in this region is with the represent temperature 90 degree. Okay. Okay, now let's move further. See, you can see the herbivorous animals eat plants. This you all know. Okay, see, grass is eaten by deer, and then deer is eaten by tiger. Okay, first one is carnivorous, then second, in this second picture, herbivorous eat plants. Okay, zebra, elephant, giraffe, cow, rabbit, this all the animals are eating plants. Yes ma'am, that's life cycle. Yes beta, you are correct. Okay, what do you can see in the image, the ass. The man is using the ass for carrying the goods from one place to another. We are getting different food products like we are getting the bone powder, eggs, meats, chicken, then leathers from animals. You can see in the river, you can see the aquatic plants used to grow. When the animals means when the naturally the animals used to die na, then we have to totally depend on this aquatic plants which is under the sea. वही खाना पड़ेगा अगर लास्ट में हमको कुछ नहीं बचा खाने के लिए तो. Okay. Okay. Now here there are two types of minerals we are finding in this we can say in this rock. Okay, minerals are generally classified as metallic and non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals are used for obtaining different metals such as iron, bauxite, then etc. And non-metallic minerals are used in obtaining various chemicals like gypsum. In the left hand side you can see gypsum, then rock salt, then calcite. Okay, this all we are using in our household. Okay, and in the another side we can see metallic mineral, that is metal. Okay, this metal are very important in our day-to-day life. Okay, in the yes, in the chart you can see the object's name, tamhan or metal puja vessel. Okay, this is brass. This is made up of brass. Samai or oil lamp. ऑयल का लैंप होता है ना जो घर पे होता है, तो वो किससे बना हुआ है? ब्रास से. ओके, प्लेट विच वी आर यूजिंग इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ स्टेनलेस स्टील. ओके, तवा और डोसा तवा. ओके, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ आयरन. Nowadays it is made up of sorry. Nowadays what happened, you know, अभी तो वो आ गया नॉन स्टिक. पहले क्या होता था? आयरन होता था. Okay, then electric wire, it is made up of which metal? Copper metal. We are using this object in our day to day life. Okay, thus this metal is very important in our life. Okay, see in the crane how the crane used to digging the taking off the minerals from the rocks or from the mountains. Okay, for us. Now see here, land, we are using the lands for different purposes as I have said. See, for construction, for river for river, for metals, for buying, selling of properties. Okay, for trade, agriculture. Yes, we are using this land for various purposes. Okay, we should not waste the land. Beta, I don't know when will school start. Don't worry. Use of natural resources. See, the man, what the man is doing, you know, they are wasting the natural resources. Yes or no? They used to pollute the water. उधर ही जाके नदी के किनारे कपड़े धोएंगे, गायों को नहलाएंगे, ये वो blah blah, all these activities they are doing. Okay, and you can see how the cutting of forest is there in our रूटीन. मतलब बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह बनाने के लिए माउंटेन्स कट करना, देन लाइक मतलब सारी चीजें जंगल्स वगैरह ये वो सब कट करे. सो थस ग्रेजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, यू नो, एक जमाना आएगा तो हमको तो ग्रीनरी दिखाई भी नहीं देगी. That's why we have to plant the trees, or we have to plant trees in our area. Okay, see the constructions of different like patri banane ke liye, railway tracks, airports, we used to cut the jungles. Okay, for our benefits. See, animals we are using the animals for keeping in the zoo, for keeping in aquarium, for meat, milk, for eggs and all we are using. Ma'am, I have question, ma'am. Yesterday school. Okay, thank you very much, students.